guys, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do an unboxing on the MakeAMom.com LoveMaker. This product is super fun and I can't wait for you guys to see it. If you're unfamiliar with MakeAMom.com, they are the ultimate solution for home insemination products. What I love about MakeAMom.com is that they understand that we as women are unique. Our needs are unique, our comfortability levels are unique, and that's why they have a wide range of products to fit whatever it is you feel most comfortable with. I have reviewed other products for them, like the Baby Maker, the Impregnator, and I'm super excited to show you guys the LoveMaker. And it just goes to show you that they have a lot of different options out there for you. So even if the LoveMaker isn't your cup of tea, they have other products as well. So definitely make sure you head over to MakeAMom.com after you watch this video. I also have a discount code, which is SHEILAFREE. You can use that to get free shipping at checkout. Before we hop into the unboxing, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. You hit the notification bell for future updates, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like this video, and I would love to hear from you guys what your current aspirations are right now. If you're planning to have a baby, are you going it alone? Do you have a partner? I would just love to hear from you guys and just have some great dialogue and see what you guys are thinking. And of course, if you've used any of the MakeAMom.com products, I would love to hear from you guys as well. I've heard so many success stories and I just always love hearing you guys amazing success stories, and I think other people would appreciate it as well. So let's go ahead and hop into this unboxing. So one thing I want to point out is that MakeAMom.com comes shipped in discreet packaging, so no one's gonna know your business. It comes, packaged very discreetly, and I do love the fact that all of their products come in a resealable bag, so you'll be able to wash. And that's another thing, all their products are washable and reusable, so you'll be able to wash it, put it back in the bag, and use it when you're ready to have fun again. So inside the package, you have this cardboard instruction. So it has the instructions on the back, and then it also has the contents of the bag in the front. So when we open it, we have the harness itself. I love the fact that the harness is included with the LoveMaker. You could use this with or without the harness, but of course, it is really fun to use with the harness. Next, we have the LoveMaker itself. This is designed to be used with the harness. You could use it without the harness, but it is designed to be used with it. It is made out of a medical grade silicone, and I love the fact that the tip of the LoveMaker, it has like little hearts all around the top of the tip. I think that's just a really cute touch. And I love the fact that it's pink. It's very pretty. Next, we have the tube and the connectors in one bag. We also have the syringe. And I love the syringes that MakeAMom.com produces because they're very high quality. And also, not to mention, the LoveMaker is made of a medical grade silicone as well. And then we have the fertility cup, we have a specimen cup, and then we also have a clip here, which is the syringe clip. Syringe clip is what it's called. So that's everything that's inside of the kit. So let's go ahead and put it together so you guys can see how it all works. like a traditional strap-on, this device has a ring cut out in the base and a contour that flares out to protect the recipient from feeling the harness. So it makes it a much more comfortable experience for the person that's wearing it, because it guards the recipient from feeling the harness like digging into them. So I really like that feature because it makes it comfortable for the person that is actually going to be wearing the harness as well. So that is everything that is included in the LoveMaker kit. As you can see, you get so much for your money. I really can't believe that it's at the price point that it's at. Honestly, with everything that you're getting, it's such a well-made product, as are all of the makeamom.com products. And the thing that I really love about this particular product is I love that it's like fun first, you know? Like sometimes when you are doing home insemination, using donor sperm, a lot of times it can get a little, you know, mundane. This keeps it spicy. You're able to have fun, and you should have fun making a baby. Like making a baby is like one of the greatest, if not the greatest things ever. Like the fact that we are able to produce humans as women is just amazing, and that should be fun. It should really be fun, and this product helps it be fun, keep it spicy. So you know, it's just I love the fact that their products are just so well designed, and women, you know, they really think of women when they design these products and what we want and what's comfortable for us, you know. And it's not just some, you know, some process. You're not just, oh, let's just get it done. No, let's have fun, let's make it comfortable, and I love that. So definitely head over to makeamom.com. Use my discount code SHEILAFREE for free shipping at checkout. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.